I'm Cameron Brown, Chairman of the Board of Garrett Leather Corporation. I started Garrett in the attic of my home in September of 1988. Garrett means attic in Old English. I began Garrett based on 3 brand promises: consistent quality, superior service, and on-time delivery. We have maintained those standards throughout the growth of Garrett, which has contributed to the longevity of the company. We began supplying leather to furniture manufacturers, automotive upholsterers, and general upholsterers. Within a year, we were able to move into our first commercial space. Moving into a larger space allowed us to order larger die-lots from our tanneries, improve our inspection, and ship larger orders to our customers. Aviation customers have been attracted to Garrett over the years due to our large clean hides, many of which are flame-proofed in the drum, our extensive inventory, and our on-time delivery. The aviation industry is still a major part of Garrett today, with many loyal and long-term customers. In 1998, we moved into a 70,000 square foot building that allowed us to house our ever-increasing inventory and purchase equipment for quality control, which allows us to better serve our customers. Garrett has over 2 million square feet of leather in stock. My son and daughter have both grown up in the leather business, and I'm very proud to have them part of the Garrett family today.
When asked how long we've worked for Garrett Leather, my sister Grace and I always say, really our whole lives. One of my earliest memories is of running around Garrett Leather's first space, this tiny shoebox of a building. I love taking naps on the piles of sheepskins. In 2016, we made the decision to move into a single-level, 80,000 square foot facility to make room for future growth. Garrett Leather has developed into the world's largest, privately owned Italian leather distributor by improving on the 3 brand promises on which the company was founded: quality, stock, and service. With our Guaranteed in Stock program, we now ship over 99% of orders within 2 business days of purchase. Our quality management system is ISO 9001 certified to ensure our processes, especially our quality inspection, are industry-leading and scalable as we grow. Our showroom in New York City has to be my favorite place to visit. I love seeing designers and hearing about their projects and the creative ways they use leather.
Being a part of the family business has been a really great experience. Right now I'm working in Chicago as an account executive. I love working as a rep for Garrett because the product truly sells itself. Designers fall in love with the natural beauty of leather as well as its soft hand and distinctive smell. I've been fortunate to be included in some exciting projects. Seeing how the designers use our products and the places our leather appears has been so incredibly rewarding. I look forward to being a part of Garrett's future as we continue to grow and expand our products to our wonderful customers.
We have customers in over 30 countries on 6 continents. I'm very pleased that Garrett has grown from a small operation in my attic to a well-known brand that delivers quality products to satisfied customers throughout the world.